बहुजन के विधाता, हम सबके मुक्तिदाता, वंचितों के ढाल, ज्ञान की मिसाल, नारे उधारक, समाज सुधारक, इतिहास के पाते, किताबों के साथी, निडर, निर्भीक, धैर्यवान, उच्च कोटि के विद्वान, सिंबल ऑफ नॉलेज, लीडर ऑफ गोलमेज, अर्थशास्त्र के जानकार, महान शिल्पकार, मनुस्मृति के नासक, बुद्ध के उपासक, जातीयता के बैरी, इंसानियत के बहरी, वर्तमान और भविष्य की आवाज, विश्व के सरताज, कानून के ज्ञाता, संविधान निर्माता डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर को मैं हरिप्रिया रजक कोटि कोटि नमन और वंदन करती हूँ। Today, I am here to speak about somebody who taught this nation the real meaning of society and justice. I am here to speak about somebody who, through his profound commitment towards equality, fought against caste, varna, creed, religion, and lineage. Yes, I am here to talk about the goldsmith of the Constitution, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Today, I am here to witness the eminent scholar, the first Indian to hold PhD in foreign 32 degrees and a good command in 9 languages, a powerful leader, politician, woman emancipator, the untouchable outcast and underprivileged Dalit who grew to become the first law minister of independent India, the one and only Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. अरे पर्वत, तो कल तक जिसकी लाचारी पर हंसता था, अरे पर्वत, तो कल तक जिसकी लाचारी पर हंसता था, तेरी चोटी पर बैठा वही वेश्याख्या लेकर। डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर was an Indian jurist, economist, social reformer, politician and philosopher. He was born on 14 April 1891 in Moho, Madhya Pradesh. His father's name was Ramji Sakpal and mother's name was Bhimabai Sakpal. He faced a lot of discrimination in his childhood, yet he was not discouraged. He completed his higher education from Bombay University, Columbia University, USA and London School of Economics. After returning from the United States, he fought for the fundamental rights of lower castes. People heard about him. He was the principal architect of the Indian Constitution. Well, that of course is the truth, but it would be incomplete to say just that he was truly a multi-talented personality. He was an intellectual giant. He was an anthropologist. He was a socialist. He was a jurist, and he was the first law minister of India in Nehru's court. These are the various facets of his personality, which people still not fully understood. This is not all. He has done so much more. Talking about his education, he completed his higher education from Bombay University, Columbia University, USA and London School of Economics. He did his matriculation in 1907, then continued with BA Bachelor of Arts in Economics, as got PhD in Economics in 1927. He was one of the first Dalit to complete his education. In the year 1990 April, he was honored with Bharat Ratna Award, the highest civilian award given to a person for his exemplary achievements for his society. He was died on 6 December 1956. And finally, I would like to conclude by saying cultivation of mind. Cultivation of mind is the ultimate aim of the human existence. As the mind cultivates the seek light of knowledge. As knowledge comes, they understand Baba Saheb. As one understand Baba Saheb, they understand themselves. As one understand themselves, they are on the right path of liberation. बाबा तेरी कलम के बल हम राज करते हैं, बाबा तेरी कलम के बल हम राज करते हैं, तेरी करनी में बाबा हम नाज करते हैं। बदलेगा ये वक्त और ये जमाना भी, बदलेगा ये वक्त और ये जमाना भी, जय भीम के उद्घोष से ये आगाज करते हैं, जय भीम के उद्घोष से ये आगाज करते हैं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भीम।